Yo, what's good, everybody? BZ Beats over here at the Beat NSD 24/7 Creative Studios. Today, we're actually unboxing the custom jersey for the Beat Den Female Cypher, Volume 2. That's right, guys. Big shout out to Custom Jerseys Pro for always lacing me up. But let's check this thing out, all right? All right. Ooh, look at that. Nice, nice. Let's open this bad boy up. All right, all right. Oh, this is fire. Boom, look at that. Custom number 23, the Beat Den on the front. You know how we do. Look at that color wave too. Ooh. And then the back right here. Boom, BZ Beats on the back. You guys already know this thing is super fire. Once again, big shout out to them for lacing me up as usual. You guys already know that one-stop shop for all your dope jersey needs. They do everything. Super fire, super custom, and they'll get it to you super quick. Once again, make sure you go ahead and check them out and use my promo code BZBeats to get a discount on everything. You guys, the Beat Den Cypher is dropping soon, November 24th. Let's go, let's go, let's go.